this situation which actually you people are facing, the Republic media is facing, that is not only related and concerned about Republic TV. This basically is an issue related to Indian Constitution and the democracy of India. So when I am trying to go through the entire history of the torture being faced by you, I very clearly want to mention two situations. One situation which actually in Bihar during Lalu Prasad Yadav regime, the law and order situation was there. So it was called Jungle Raj. So I very particularly I call this entire mindset is Jungle Raj mindset. Number two, I will again remember Jayaprakash Narayan's statement when he was arrested under MISA on 25th June 1975. He only gave one statement: Vinash Kale Viparit Buddhi. So all these two things should be clubbed together, and it should be read with Republic media versus Maharashtra government, Uddhav Thackeray government in Maharashtra, Mumbai. See, this situation is very clear. In one hand, I think it is positive also, because you are basically becoming a sort of dadhichi. You are actually trying to give an opportunity to see and to let the country feel that how this Maharashtra government under Uddhav Thackeray and being remote controlled, handled by that Sonia Maino Gandhi. So how they are behaving, how they are blatant. So there is no honor for Indian Constitution, rule of law. Even Supreme Court also is trying to figure out what type of action it should take. But now my legal opinion will be like Supreme Court of India has a very clear jurisdiction and clear original jurisdiction power.
Right to intervene. Yeah.
Constitution of India, Article 139A. Article 139A. Supreme Court of India can transfer the case from any state to a neutral state. So if the criminal cases are genuine or these criminal cases are not genuine, that should be evaluated by some neutral court. Certainly not in Maharashtra. And in as for the CRPC 406,
many experts are saying that the only solution now, MR, is for the Supreme Court to intervene suo motu in the matter. Now we are going through the due process.